What's popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck back at it again, you know what I'm saying? How everybody doing? Everybody good? Everybody straight? In this video, I'm going over a trade that I took this week. Caught about 50 pips. I want to show you guys how you can catch pips too. You dig? I appreciate you for clicking this video. If it does help you out, please smack that like button. I would really appreciate it. Follow me on IG if you want to. If you want to see more of me, that's on you. IG should be here or here. And that's it. Let's get right into the video. I don't want to waste too much of your guys' time. Let's go. Okay, so we're taking a look at GU. If you guys seen my last couple videos, y'all know I love GU, right? GU, it's clean moving pair. Great for beginners in my opinion, right? So looking at GU, this is the 4-hour time frame, and we see that GU pretty much started consolidating once it hit 1.42, right? Yeah, 1.42. GU just starts ranging, right? Got this 4-hour zone marked up here, right? Got this, little zone kind of here. But that's pretty much all it was doing on the higher time frame, just ranging, right? So on the hour time frame, right? So I seen this good move down, right? And I basically just wanted to get in on the pullback of that move, right? So I seen on this hour time frame, price started creating some resistance right here, right? But I also seen price was creating what? Liquidity as well, right? There's money up here. People are selling this, right? Because they see this strong push. People are selling it, right? Which they got the right idea, but you don't want to jump the gun too soon. So really what I was looking for is price to grab this liquidity up here, right? On the hour time frame. So once price got up in this area, I'm closely monitoring it to see what it does, and then basically just shoot the shot when if it looks good. If things look good, shoot the shot. Don't just shoot the shot. If things look good, if your confirmations are looking good, then go ahead and shoot the shot. But okay, so I seen price come and take this, right? So let's go in on a 5-minute, right? So price started creating this kind of resistance, right? Also liquidity above this resistance. Price perfectly kind of takes it out, right? Takes out all these highs right here, right? Then immediately reacts and shoots down. Boom, comes up to look, it kind of tested my zone kind of perfectly. Then it starts just falling. So once I seen this start falling, I got in really when it kind of broke this spot. That's when I got in, right? A little bit before that, and boom, market shoots down about 50 pips. It shoots down more than that, but 50 pips is what I caught. I think I had my targets like kind of more down here, but once I seen it reverse like this a little bit, that's really when I decided to get out. So I kind of got out at the bottom almost, right? So that's basically the move, man. It really wasn't too much to it. You can find these moves a lot, especially with GBP USD. Made a quick 50 bucks at $1 per pip. So I want you guys to check out and see what the market does after this, right? So we talk about liquidity a lot, on this channel. I do, and I kind of want to give y'all kind of an example. Let's see if I can zoom somewhere else. Okay, so how I seen this last move was kind of like this, right? You have a good strong, that ain't what I want, sorry. This out the way, brush. Okay, when you have a good strong move push like that, right? A lot of the times I see the market kind of after it's this move's exhausted, it kind of starts consolidating, and what is it creating down here? Liquidity, right? So a lot of the times I'll see the market fake that way, right? To get more people to sell, immediately come up, fake that way to get people to buy, right? And then continue down, right? It happens a lot. That's some of the manipulation that I kind of see in the markets, right? So let's see what the market ends up doing, right? So if we fast forward, so it kind of sits at this zone, right? This 4-hour support, right? For a second, it comes back up to this area, right? So really what it does is it takes out whoever was selling this, again, right? So it already took out some of these people who were selling, but it came back, right? Market came back to take out whoever else wanted to sell, right? You see that right there? We can go in on a lower time frame, 15-minute look. See that? That's higher than this high. So it took out whoever was selling from here, right? And let's check out and see what the market does after it does that. Look at that. This is a fat candle, you guys. So market came through and made sure it took out everybody who was trying to sell, right? All these people who were selling with me, whoever didn't take profit at 50 pips and was still in this, they got taken out, or they, you know, they got taken out. That's all I can say. Boom, and the market does this big, huge move like that. Insane, you guys. These are smart money concepts that you want to look at, and I believe this was some news today, if I'm not mistaken. Something came out because everything fell hard like this. But you see, the market faked. You see this? This was a good. Look at how big this candle even is. You know what I'm saying? Faked you out so hard. Boom, and then it comes back down, slashes that, like, doesn't care about this zone at all. You dig what I'm saying? So y'all want to be looking out for this manipulation, okay? I already know these markets, they want to take all your money. You know, you want to be aware of that. That's why I trade smart money. I'm not trading support, resistance, things like that, because I found out really that it doesn't work. You dig what I'm saying? That's really all I wanted to show you guys today. Just caught that, you know, slick 50 pips. 50 pips is attainable, you know. You can catch that within a day and be cool. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't catch that every day, every other day is cool. But you want to just stay consistent in the market. I'm doing pretty good this week, man. I cannot complain. I got a few wins here, man. I'm definitely in profit. Done one more than I lost this week. But, you know, I want to stay consistent. Take it one day at a time. Eventually, as I'm getting more consistently profitable, you know, up these accounts. You know what I'm saying? Build my little account. And just go from there, you guys. Like I said, I still feel like a beginner in this trading. You know, hasn't been a year. I haven't been trading for a full year, you know, so I still feel like a beginner. You know, I'm still learning, still grinding, still looking at these charts, you guys. I'm back at it, you understand? But like I said a few weeks ago, I got some crypto videos coming out as well. I know I've been kind of lacking, but got a lot of things on my plate at this moment, but I promise I'm gonna get those crypto videos out to you guys. If you stayed this long, I appreciate you, man. Smack that like button. We going up from here, man. If y'all know who Mr. Buck is now, you know, we only going up. So yeah, that's it for the video today. The way it looks, I'm afraid it's over.